Fiona Fiat. Time to get the motor out. Get that ready to go to the machine shop. Alright, so trans is out. Basically the entire drivetrain's out. We're gonna pull the third member later and take that to Justin too. So today, this here motor is gonna come out. Easy peasy, because it's so tiny. Right, we're gonna drain Fiona's Earl. Ugh. That oil's pretty gross, Wick. Fiona's oil. It's pretty gross. Like just dirty, dirty, dirty. Oh, it was just changed? Oh, I'm sure. Ugh. Thank God this thing's going to Brian. Flywheel bolts are out. I'm gonna pull the flywheel out. I need to undo the generator wires here. And then we can loosen up our motor mounts and get ready to pull this baby out of here. Right, everything's unbolted from Fiona. This little itty bitty motor's ready to come out. Crane's all hooked up. Here we go. Out she comes. Alright. I was going to take the carb off, obviously, because we'll go through that here. I like to disassemble the exhaust and the intake manifold off of it, just so it's easier for him. And he's going to be blasted anyway, but if I get that stuff apart, I'm going to pull the generator off too, the rest of the way.
Yeah, we'll probably need to send that to him, and then we can pull the...
Yeah, there's the starter in this. There's another place in Indio I sent stuff to for that. So we'll get it all handled.
Yeah, this should be all right.
Damn, Wick, that was easy. That was one of the easiest motors to pull out ever. All right, undressing Fiona. That sounded bad. But Wick's got the intake and exhaust manifold off. Three exhaust ports.
That's kind of interesting. This one you can see a ton of oil back up in there. Antifreeze. Something. All right, so we're shipping this off to Brian, right?
That's gonna go to Brian, yeah. Go through that, clean that up. He'll make it all nice.
Kind of funny, they do come apart.
They bolt together.
Think I should take that apart?
Yeah, just go ahead and let's get everything we can apart. We're gonna need a temperature sender too, Wick, because that one's busted. That temp sender. We're gonna need to order one.
Yeah, he's gonna make a note of all the shit I need.
There it is. Your engine number. Yeah, I actually had I had your 13 over the thermostat housing is FUKT.
You see somebody drowned on it at some point in time. I mean, how that wasn't pissing water, I don't know.
Wow. Was there even a stat in that?
Mm-mm. Huh. Nope. Nada.
That's cute. It's real cute. All right. I think we got Fiona undressed as far as we need to, yeah?
I guess. Let me take pictures of the engine stand.
It's right here.
Pictures all the way around.
Yeah, photograph everything. Documentation, documentation, documentation.